Hello, guys. My name is Uche Nick, and I just attended the Fearless Netpreneur Mastermind by Dr. Ope Banwo, and um, I learned one very big lesson today: how to set up my upsells for my funnels to convert better. And this has been my biggest puzzle that I've been trying to fix for months while brainstorming for my product, which I want to launch very soon. So he was able to make me meet guys who have been doing it before me, and I was able to connect with them and ask them questions, which they gave me so much clarification on. So I think this is great, and to be honest with you, I got more value for what I paid. I didn't believe I'll get this much value, and I'm so glad I came here. I felt like this was the best investment of the year to me because apart from what I learned, I also met people. I also met a lot of people, and networking is very important in this internet business. So I think this was great, and Mr. Ope Banwo is a very great person. Like, he was so open and he gave more than we all bargained for. Like, we didn't plan to get this much. He gave us more than we asked for, and I'm very grateful. And if you have the chance to see when he's doing the next one, if you really want to make real good money online, I think it's going to be your best investment too. You need to jump on that offer. Don't even think twice. If you talk to Ope, you don't need to think twice. And I'm saying it out of my own discretion. So this was great, and I hope you get to experience greatness from him too. Thank you very much.